hello, good morning. It is 10 in the morning on a Wednesday. I'm having a great morning and I just got off of work, so I'm heading to the Galleria because I need to go find something to wear for a baby shower. I've been to many baby showers and I forgot what's normal to wear. Plus it's out of town, so I should probably look up the weather. Okay, yes, let's do that. First, let's look up the weather. I will talk to you guys when I park because I probably should not be driving and vlogging. But there's just traffic, so I just felt like. Okay guys, so now we're in the garage, so it's a little bit darker, but let's figure out the weather. Right now it's 74 and it's 8 in the morning there. So, let's see, the baby shower's on Saturday, so it's gonna be 71.57. So that's kind of chilly to me, at least. That's chilly. So I guess, I don't know, we'll see. Guys, the weather is so beautiful. Okay, and I don't know what this is, but yes, I'm wearing my winter apparel. And yeah, so I really hope we find something because I just want to get in and out. I hate being here at the mall. Forever 21 is right down there. So that's where we're gonna go first, then Topshop, and then from then on, if we don't find anything, well, Zara actually. I don't know, let's see. There's no one here. It's amazing, it's empty. We're going to Forever 21 first. Was a no. I mean, I found some pants, but I didn't get them just because I'm not sure. I went to Topshop and I don't know. We're gonna go to Zara and then we'll go to another store. So let's see. Okay, hey guys, it's later in the day. I am now at home and tell me why. I came home and see this big ass TV. Christopher got a TV. So he's on his way home now. We're gonna set it up, but before, I'm gonna quickly take these crazy ladies out on a walk because they clearly need it. That is what my Wednesday has looked like. And yeah, so we'll be back and I guess you can hang out with us while we set up our TV.
Hello.
I look so short.
You are so short.
Okay, let's do this. Ready? Oh, you can't even see me. But I should give it toward the TV, not us. We have made it to the airport. He's here with the goodies. So much emotion in your ocean. But you make it worse. Oh, I'm searching. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think of your In-N-Out burger?
It was good.
It's alright, right? beautiful drive.
Beautiful, beautiful drive.
We are now gonna go have some dinner.
Drinks. Dinner.
And hang out.
California.
Beautiful weather. It's kind of cold though. I didn't expect it to be this cold. I mean, I packed a sweater, but it's no better than this one. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready to eat.
Okay, almost. Oh, you found it. It's chilly.
Oh, we can't sit outside, bro. They barefoot.
That is kind of gross. Oh, let's see how it feels by the fire. It's chilly though. I need like a North Face sweater. Well, they took our seats, so.
They've been sitting here for 2 times.
Oh look, it's like an inside-outside area. Drink is delicious. Right, Chris?
Kudos.
Yeah.
She's moving to Texas.
She is.
This is hard.
Okay, Saturday. We are about to go have some breakfast. It is 9:20 in the morning.
Living a dream.
Yes.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
They're here. Awesome. They're here every Saturday. Which part? I have friends there. This might be
I like how simple it is, but I think she just does it herself.
How was your food?
Great, delicious.
His food was good. My pancakes were. That was so beautiful and really cool, right? On to our next road trip to the reason why we came to California is for where we're going next. ¿Verdad? Today's Saturday. The weather here is so beautiful. It's a little bit chilly, but it's only chilly to us because it's not humid.
Basically.
Okay, let's go.
It's 61 though, that's not.
Yeah, that's not bad. That's perfect. But it feels so great in the car being hot. Oh, I love this feeling. Okay, we're all changed and ready to go to our final destination.
We have an announcement to make. I'm ready. Brandy and I are actually having twins. Okay, hold on. I'm just kidding. Oh no, she's crying.
was a joke.
Oh, she's not. She's not.
It was a joke.
We're not having twins. We're not having twins.
I was so shocked.
Did you get that moment? Did you get that? Oh, okay.
I got yours.
Okay, so the announcement is, as of yesterday, I am a married man.
This place is super duper cute. A little store, and then you step out and it's a little garden. How cute. My outfit. Yeah. Loving the weather. That was super cute. Very cute. Beautiful area.
Long Beach, LBC in the building.
Good morning, guys. Today we are going hiking at the Portuguese Bend Park. So excited to go on this hike with my love.
Hiking.
Wow, this is pretty. Yeah, Brandy would not have made it. Not even this far. Damn.
You want to go up here?
This is so beautiful. We made it. You look handsome.
Thanks. Yeah. I was just gonna get off the plane. Gotta go on a hike. Look.
I like it. I like it. Guys, that hike was really beautiful. We are now in the car, all packed up from the airport, for the airport, but we're gonna stop and eat some hot dogs at Dog House. Super excited. Are you hungry?
I am actually really hungry.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm not that hungry, but I'm excited to try something delicious. Well, that was a great trip, right?
Sure was.
We are now leaving and I loved it and I had a fabulous time and I really enjoyed hanging out with his familia and having all the road trips and hiking, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog.
Stay solid.
So yeah, now to the airport and now to go see my little ladies.